case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1979, Barry Simmons, an employee at the Philadelphia Traffic Court, found himself in the midst of a legal storm that would reach the United States Court of Appeals for the Third Circuit. The case, United States v. Simmons, was built around an essential element in the obstruction of justice statute: whether a grand jury investigation can be held pending when only law enforcement agencies, and not the grand jury members themselves, are aware of the issued subpoenas. The trouble began when Simmons received a subpoena from the prosecuting attorney's office. Instead of complying, Simmons destroyed the implicated documents and coached his employees to withhold information from the grand jury. His actions led to his indictment, trial, and subsequent conviction for obstructing justice. The obstruction of justice statute mandates some form of ongoing judicial proceeding during the alleged obstruction. In Simmons' case, the pivotal question revolved around the definition of an ongoing or pending grand jury investigation. After his conviction, Simmons moved to appeal, arguing that there was insufficient evidence to state that a grand jury investigation was pending. At the time, he interfered with justice because the grand jury was unaware of the subpoena. The Court of Appeals disagreed with Simmons' premise. They ruled that a grand jury investigation can be considered pending when law enforcement officials apply for and have subpoenas issued, even if the grand jury hasn't taken an active role or isn't aware of the investigation. Instead of laying down rigid rules, the court emphasized the importance of case-specific scrutiny to confirm whether the subpoena is used in facilitation of a genuine grand jury investigation. In the final decision, the Circuit Court upheld the judgment of the District Court, making it clear that the grand jury's unawareness of a subpoena does not exempt one from the allegation of obstructing a pending grand jury investigation. Simmons' other grounds for appeal were deemed unworthy, and his conviction stood firm.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.